Habari za wanafunzi. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy to see some of your work. And we are gonna continue with our studies. Karibuni sana. I hope you're working hard and learning Swahili and just not learning and reading, you're speaking and listening to people who can speak Swahili around you. So today we are going to start on something new. In Swahili, it's called Vitenzi, which means actions. Those are action words. If you remember well, last time we did body parts. And now I just want us to remember what we did on body parts and what actions like those body parts can do. So I want to relate that to actions. And one of the things that I want you to learn is in Swahili, remember we said it's heavily prefix and suffix. So we have root words, which are either you change the prefix or you change the suffix to give a different meaning. So we've done some verbs. We just did them in infinitive form. But now I want to relate them to body parts. I wanted to add the prefix ku, which in English would be to. Like for example, ku sema. You guys know what sema is. What part of the body would sema? The mouth. Sema, because it's sema means speak. So if I wanted to say to speak, I would say kusema. Kusema. So, kusema, kusema. Then another one would be, what do you think this person is doing? Eating. What is eat in Swahili? What is eat in Swahili? Kula. Kula. La is actually the word that means eat. So to eat would be kula, but many Kenyans you'll hear them say they take the kula to mean eat, so they will say kukula. But the correct word is kula, kula, to eat. You use your mouth to eat, kula. Then you use your mouth also to what is this person doing? Drinking. Drinking is kunywa, kunywa. It's a one-syllable word, nywa. So to drink would be kunywa, but you would find people saying kukunywa because they are taking the kunywa to mean drink. Then to drink, they would add the ku, kunywa. But the correct one is, remember, kunywa, nywa. Then another one is using your mouth, still using your mouth. What do you think she's doing? She's singing. What's sing in Swahili? That one you should know. It's imba. So to sing would be kuimba. 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 To sing. Next is, what are these? Juicy fruit. What do you do with juicy fruit? Or orbit, chewing gum? You chew. You use your mouth or your tongue to chew. So what is chewing in Swahili? This is a new one. You haven't had this one. Tafuna. So to chew would be ku ta fu na. Kutafuna. To chew. Then we have the next one is, what do you think this one is doing? It's a chef. He's cooking. He wants to know whether this food is yummy. What do? You taste. Taste. What is taste in Swahili? Kuonja. Onja. Kuonja. To taste. Kuonja. We have another one. You have to take a pill. What do you do with a pill? You have to swallow it. Swallow. So what does it mean to swallow in Swahili? Kumeza. Meza. Kumeza. To swallow. Then we have another word. What is she doing? Your hair is messy. You've just woken up in the morning. You need to comb your hair. Combing your hair is kuchana. Kuchana. And what's hair? Kuchana nywele. Chana. Kuchana nywele. To comb your hair. Then your hair has grown so long and you need to cut it. Cut your hair. Cut is pretty easy because it's almost the same word in Swahili. Kata. So to cut would be kukata. Kukata. Kukata nywele. Kata nywele. Then we have you want to wash your hair. Wash your hair. What is hair again? Nywele. What is wash? Osha. Kind of sounds the same. Osha. Osha. Wash. Kuosha. Kuosha. That's wash. Osha nywele. Osha uso. Osha mikono. That's wash your hands. Osha miguu. Wash your feet. Then we have the last one that you're gonna look at is using your mapua. Mapua is nose. Using your nose to smell. To smell. Smell is kunusa. Kunusa. You use your nose to smell. Kunusa. Nusa. Those are the vocabulary words for today that relate to body parts. And you can rewatch this video to see how you pronounce. You can pronounce the word or read them. And then once you're done, I need you to, there's a link that I've attached. You can just come to the flashcards. When you click on the flashcards, it will give you this option. So you just go click on the side, see the action and what it means. Kunusa. So go through that, try to memorize the terms, then go to learn. When you go to learn, the option to learn, like this one, what do you think? It's the ear. It has something to do with the ear. What do you do with your ear? It's used to listen. To listen. What is to listen? You come here. Is it imba? Imba is sing. Is it to sing? Is it kusikia? Sikia na masikio. It's to hear, yes. Then you pick the correct answers. Then once you're done with that, you can do the test and then come play match. Match is just a game where you have the pictures and you need to match the pictures and the words. Like kuchana, what is chana? Chana is comb, so I put it there. So you match those. Or if you're feeling really confident, you can play the gravity game. Make sure your planet survives. So you can make it really easy or medium. Let me go with easy, then let's go. When I start the game, I'll see a word, a picture, and I'll need to type in the correct word. So if it's correct, then you don't your planet doesn't disappear. So those are your options. Or you can go to, I'll just open this, hadn't opened it. It's taking a little bit of time, but I'll give you 2 links. You can play a game called Balloon Pop, or you can play the other game. Just wait a minute. You can play Balloon Pop, or you can play Balloon Pop, or you can play Maze Chase. So you just match the words. We've done this in class before, so you can just match them or go through a maze and pick the right word. Asanteni sana. Practice these words this week. Also, as you do this work, remember when you're doing these actions to use these words in your vocabulary. Kwaheri, tutaonana baadaye.